Hello everyone, can you hear me? This is a bit of an experiment video because you might notice, if you're a regular viewer, I'm not at home, but regular viewers might recognise this little hairy missile called Daisy. Now, I'm at a holiday cottage on the Isle of Wight, and I did bring some cleaning appliances with me, as one does, so I'll be making some separate videos. I bought my latest cordless upright, this Shark Duo Clean cordless. I also bought this Bissell Compact Carpet Washer. I've never used it, it's new, so I'll be cleaning at least this carpet that looks pretty dirty now because I've not vacuumed for a few days. This is the vacuum that was in the cottage, or is in the cottage. This is the Cottage vacuum, the Miele Complete C3 Extreme Power Line. So they've got a reasonably decent vacuum cleaner for once. The washing machine though, that's pretty poor. I'll be doing a separate video of the washer. But what I'm going to do today is make some separate videos. So I'm just trying this. I'm just recording a quick video on the iPad just to see what it looks like. Just to tell you where I'm up to. So coming up on my channel will be videos of this. I'm going to clean the whole holiday cottage with this Shark. I'm going to do the mattresses, I'm going to do the sofa and the chairs and the floors and everything. And at least this carpet's going to be shampooed with this Bissell, and they've got a doormat or two that are pretty grubby, so that'll be a good test for this compact Bissell. And for you washing machine fans, hopefully I'll have time. I'll do a video on the washing machine. It's not a very good one, but I'll do a video all the same for those of you who like to look at washers. So that's it, that's just a quick update video for you, and hopefully I'll be back this Friday with a pre-recorded video, another unboxing. It's a bit of a long one. It goes on for over 40 minutes, so you might need a toilet break in between. It is a long unboxing because there was a lot to unbox in that video. So that'll be coming up this Friday, and then next week there'll be more videos, and there'll probably be a washing machine video coming up if I can get it edited. There will be a video on this Shark. Oh, and there's another Shark. I can't show you it because it's propping up my iPad. I've got a little Shark handheld unit as well that I got last week. A very slim but powerful cordless handheld Shark vacuum. So I'll be showing you that as well. Plus, there's loads to come. Loads and loads to come on my channel. So, thanks for watching. Just a quick update from the Isle of Wight. It's a little bit overcast today, hence why I'm recording this in the morning. Be going out later with the dogs. Having a great time, actually. And it's fun to vacuum new carpets, although I haven't vacuumed yet. This carpet looks very dirty now. So, we're going to get the Shark, see if we can get all this pet hair up, and then see if this Bissell will brighten up the pile. Now, I'm not a mental case. Even if I didn't have a video channel making videos on YouTube, I probably would have bought a carpet washer, or at least a compact carpet washer, because they do allow pets in this cottage, but, you know, there's a charge if the pets cause any damage, and, you know, so Daisy has done a tiny wee on this carpet. I've only just seen it this morning, but it must have been fresh because I dabbed most of it up, so I'll have to go over the carpet anyway. So that's why I bought this. And the reason I bought and chose to buy this particular Bissell, because it's a very compact, lightweight machine, and some people have asked me about the best lightweight carpet washers, because most of the ones I've done are quite big, heavy machines, and a lot of people can't handle them. So I thought I'd try this. It gets good reviews. It's very light. It's very compact. Once I've finished with it, I'm going to pass it on to my mum, who wants a new carpet washer. She's got a big Vax thing at the moment that's a little bit heavy for her to use, but this will be ideal for her to just get out from time to time if she wants to freshen up her carpets. So that's it. If you have any comments or questions, ask them below. And I'll see you soon, and I'm going to have to walk over behind you and turn this video off. So no editing, I'm afraid, today. So hopefully you saw everything, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.